Understanding the water bath method in cooking. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating cooking technique known as the water bath method. This method is often used in delicate cooking processes and can be a bit confusing for those who are new to it. Stay tuned as we break down what it is, how it works, and where you might use it. The water bath method, also known as bain-marie in French, involves placing a container, like a baking dish, of food inside a larger container filled with hot water. This technique provides gentle, even heat to the food, preventing it from burning, curdling, or cooking too quickly. It's especially useful for dishes that need to cook slowly or stay moist. Using a water bath helps in controlling the cooking temperature. Foods like cheesecakes, custards, and terrines can easily crack, curdle, or overcook when exposed to direct heat. The water bath creates a buffer between the heat source and the food, allowing it to cook more evenly and gently. To set up a water bath, you'll need 2 baking dishes or pans, one larger and one smaller. Here's how to do it. 1. Preheat your oven to the recipe's specified temperature. 2. Place your food in the smaller dish. 3. Place the smaller dish inside the larger one. 4. Pour hot water into the larger dish until it comes halfway up the sides of the smaller dish. 5. Carefully transfer this setup to the oven and bake as directed. Remember, be cautious with the hot water to avoid burns or spills. Use hot water to ensure the cooking starts immediately. Don't overfill the larger dish. You don't want water to spill into your food. Check the water level during cooking, adding more if necessary. When removing from the oven, be careful as the water and dishes will be very hot. The water bath method is a fantastic technique to master for cooking delicate dishes. It may seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, you'll find it an invaluable tool in your cooking repertoire. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using the water bath method. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video!